US crude WTI has shown a good swing last week, achieving higher highs and lower lows. But remember this fact, it failed to breach past the support zone at 84, which is a very strong support zone. This we have reiterated several times. 84 to 86 zone is a very strong support zone. At the same time, it breached the previous high at 92.4, and then we requested that beyond 92.4, the next target should be at around 93.5. It went closer to 93 but reversed from there. Now, what to expect next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily analysis which I share very early in the day with the Asia session. Also it includes natural gas analysis as well. So do watch that analysis. Now let's start and let's have a look at the weekly charts first. See, on the weekly charts you'll find here was the reversal, we saw this, and then consistently it has created higher highs. This time again it has perfectly achieved the bottom and failed to trade below 84 levels. At the same time you can see this, see there is a wall out there which it is trying to break past by, it is trying to squeeze on this. It is a narrowing triangle, and once it trades beyond this zone, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to a good rise. We can see multiple candles either getting the closing there or either getting reversed from these levels. Now it has to sustain above this. Once it sustains above 93, 92.5 levels, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to first target should be at around 95, 96, and then it should strike 98 and 100 levels. Now this is what we can see here. Also for next week, now another observation here. See the complete movement of this candle 93 to 84, almost $9 of move, which makes the pivot at around 88.5, and this time it closed at around 88.2 levels, just tad below, just a notch below the previous closing. Yes, if you see it trading above 88.5, which is the pivot level for this complete move, you can expect that we are looking forward to higher highs, and then it may try to attempt and achieve. This time it can go till towards 95. In fact, 96 cannot be denied. So yes, beyond 88.5 you can expect a little rise. First, it may find a little resistance at 89.2, then 90, and then beyond 90.0 to 90.2, you can expect that the next target is going to be directly towards 91.5, 92 levels, and then 93. Breaking beyond this zone, certainly we saw this last week, breaking beyond 92, certainly you can expect it to fly for 95, 96 levels. Now this is one observation. At the same time, opening below this zone and trading below 87.5, you can expect that the next support is 87, 86, and then further to that you can expect it to drop below 84 also. Then we can see it dropping till towards 83. But what is going to happen? Let's have a further look. Now let's have a look at the daily charts and look at the daily charts, how it is traded. You can find out. See, on the daily charts, it is certainly giving you higher lows. It is precisely reversing from these levels. 84 definitely a very strong support, and for next week it is going to be 85. Trading below 85, you can confirm that it is looking forward to breach 84, and then in fact we can see it reaching 82.5 and below levels. That is one part to it. Next part, now see this candle. This is second green candle, and now till here, till 86 levels, probably it may get a very good support. 86, 87 zone should be a good support. Achieving these levels, it can resume the bull run, break past 90, and then certainly achieving 92.5, 93 zone. We will see how it behaves, because that is going to be the third green candle, and probably because see, it is consistently giving you higher lows, higher highs, indicating that the bull run is there. 95, 96 levels will get achieved probably this week. That is what is my expectation. Till the time it trades above 84, 85 levels, you can remain long on crude oil. Now let's have a look at the monthly. See, on the monthly charts, higher lows are seen. At the same time, if you count this, higher highs, which makes that probably 95, 96. In fact, the zone till here at 98 should be providing a very good resistance. If it tries to trade above this, the next resistance zone is going to be $100, which is a very important psychological resistance for crude oil WTI. So probably it may show you a little swing till the time it trades above 84 and Probably you should not confirm this as bearish, and I will remain bullish till the time it trades above 84. Below 84, certainly more bullish bearishness can be seen. 82.5, 80 levels cannot be denied. You have to stay cautious. It can try to achieve the lows of this channel, which is already very much. I'll give you the trading levels and the major resistance and support levels towards the end. Just watch till the end. Just listen to it carefully. Now let's have a look at the indicators. And if you look at the indicators on the daily charts, it traded outside the Bollinger Bands, now trading comfortably above the median of the Bollinger Bands here. It closed the week at around the 100 period exponential moving average, which is situated at around 88, 89 levels. Yes, this is going to be a good resistance. At the same time, the 20 period moving average should provide a good support at 87, and below that 85 level should come into a picture. Now look at this, the 50 period and 20 period moving average is already crossed over here, and now the 100 period and 20 period moving average are also looking forward to crossover. So yes, any move beyond 88.5 should bring little more bullishness. 89.2, 90.2 should be a good resistance. Beyond that, it will fly away on the upside. Now let's have a look at the directional movement. If you see directional movement, moderately bullish, it is just crossed over the stochastic, trading at bottom, oversold, and now looking forward to an up move here. The MACD has crossed over, it is on sell side, probably looking forward to converge crossover again on the bullish side. And the RSI too is trying to look upwards. This is one part. If you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, you will observe that the downside support is far below at $80 levels. On the upside, there is a crossover at of 20 and 50 period moving average, which is taking place here, and probably once it sustains about 96 levels, certainly you can confirm that it is entering into bullish zone. Then the target should be 100 plus level. 100 is a definitely very strong resistance for now. We will see how it behaves at around $100 levels if it continues to trade bullish from here. Now if you look at the directional movement on the weekly chart, is about to cross over for a bullish move. Right now it is trading on a sell side. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. This is right now bearish. It is looking forward to a bullish crossover. Probably we may see a strong bullish momentum from here. RSI looking downwards. And on the monthly, again, if you look at the monthly charts, it is looking forward to trade within this expanding triangle. This is a bullish triangle, probably sustaining above 100. You can expect that the next zone should be at around 110, 120 levels, which is going to be, these $10 are going to be the maximum resistance zone. Even if it continues to trade bullish, this zone is going to be critical for crude oil. Trading above 115, 120 levels, certainly you can expect that we are again looking at double top, and then 120, 130 levels should be seen. This is one part to it. Now look at the direction movement. So far was bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic on the monthly charts is oversold. Probably we are looking forward to a rise from here. And the MACD, which is just crossed over on the monthly charts, has traded for in the sell zone for 3 continuous red candles. Probably it may try to converge, start converging from here. The RSI is trading flat at the comfortable level. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy for next week. So next week, if you see it trading above 88.5, yes, buy there. 89.2, the first target, then 90.02, the next target, and beyond this we may see it hitting 91, 91.5, 92, and then 92.5. See, first major resistance zone is here at 90.02, definitely going to be a good resistance. Then 92.5, 93, and beyond that it is going to fly till towards 94.5 and 95 levels. Now the next maximum resistance is 95, 96, sustaining above which directly first resistance at 98, and then $100 levels should be seen very soon in near future itself. So yes, trading above 93, certainly one can stay long. One can at least look at 95, 96 level to get achieved in this month itself. In fact, it can trade beyond 9800, cannot be denied. Now on the downside, at the same time, though we are bullish, but at the same time we must note that we have to trade as per the levels without any bias. If you see it dropping, you have to go short. If you see it rising, you have to go long. Nothing else. Just trade as per the levels and close the targets. If you see it in profit, take the profits, re-enter. If you see it reversing, yes, take the trades on the opposite side. So trade accordingly. And yes, on the short side, now where to sell. And yes, before I give you the sell levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the support resistances, identifying the right entries, identifying the right exits at the right time, join my mentorship batch starting on 28th of November. This is the last batch for this year 2022, and also it is a 17th batch. The next batch is going to be, the 18th batch is going to be only in January 2023. Do not miss this opportunity. Let's begin the new year with a profit. Let's make this place that in new year we will not lose, and we will try to gain the maximum with the proper knowledge. So join this mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where you can just trade as per the signals and definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. Now let's have a look on the NG. On the sell side, I will recommend you to sell only at 87.5. Below that, you can expect we are looking forward to first support 87, then 86.2, and below 86.2 you can expect 85.5 and 85 levels. Now remember 85, very good support here. I don't think so that this should break first at 87, then at 85, and then below that 84 levels. Only if it breaks below 84, I will confirm this as a bearish move. Then I will look forward to 82.4, 81.1, and then $80 levels to be seen. Beyond that, we can see a stronger crash. I don't think so that this should happen, but yes, in this case, if it happens, then considerably you can confirm that oil is definitely bearish. I don't think, probably we may see a little bullish move, but these are markets. Just stick to the levels, just trade as per the levels. Even though I am bullish, I will not lose an opportunity to go short at 87.5. Remember this fact. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.